Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So what are we going to do today? We are going to solve problems on permutations of dissimilar things or where there is no repetition. Here is the first question. Find the number of permutations of 4 dissimilar things taken 3 at a time. What does this question mean? For example, a 4 letter word like post, it has 4 letters but we are taking 3 letters and doing permutations. So we have formula to solve this type of problems. Permutations of n dissimilar things. Here 4 dissimilar things taken r at a time, here taken 3 at a time. So the formula is npr. What is npr mean? It is equals to npr is equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So here n is 4, r is 3, so it is 4p3, that is equals to 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial, that is equals to 4 factorial by 1 factorial, that is 4 factorial, that is 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equals to 24. Find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word miracle, which A. contain the letter R, B. doesn't contain the letter R, C. containing R at the second position. Here we can solve this question using formula or using general method. Here I am solving to the formula. Here miracle has 7 letters, so n is equals to 7, and we have to find the 4-letter word, so r is equals to 4. Here for the question, first question, A containing letter R. So for this we have the formula containing a particular thing is equals to r into n minus 1 p r minus 1. So here r is 4 into 7 minus 1 p 4 minus 1, that is equals to 4 into 6p3. We have the formula npr is equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So here 4 into 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial. By solving this we will get the answer 480. Here for second question, B doesn't contain the letter R. So for not containing a particular thing, we have the formula n minus 1 p r. Here 7 minus 1 p 4, 6 p 4. So by solving this we will get the answer 360. Here for third question, C containing R at the second position. So containing a particular thing at a particular place, we have the formula n minus 1 p r minus 1, that is equals to 7 minus 1 p 4 minus 1, that is equals to 6 p 3, that is equals to 120. Here it is a basic type of question. In a class there are 30 students. On the New Year day, every student posts a greeting card to all of his classmates. Find the total number of cards posted by them. Here each student posts a card to other 29 students. So card posted by each student is 29. Here we have the total 30 students. So total number of cards posted is 29 into 30, that is equals to 870 cards posted by them. Here this is an interesting question. Find the number of ways in which 5 letters can be put in 5 addressed envelopes so that no letter goes into the envelope meant for it. Here we have to arrange the letters so that it should not be goes into correct envelope meant for it. So here we have the formula. The derangement of the things of n distinct things is n factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by factorial plus so on minus 1 whole power n into 1 by n factorial. So here we have n is equals to 5. So by substituting in this formula, 5 factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by factorial, it is equals to 120 into 120, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24 minus 1 by 20, 120. By solving this we will get the answer. So in 44 ways we can arrange the letters in envelope so that it will not go into the correct envelope. Here, in how many ways 8 physics papers can be arranged so that the best paper and the worst paper A may come together, B may not come together. Here we have to find the permutations for best and worst paper coming together and not coming together. First A may come together. Here consider best paper and worst paper as one unit. Remaining we have 6 papers. 6 plus 1 total 7. The permutations for this 7 is 7 factorial. Here we can arrange the best paper and worst paper among themselves in two ways. The permutation among those two papers is two ways. So total the permutation for two papers coming together is 7 factorial into 2. Here second question may not come together. So for may not come together, it is total permutations minus permutations for coming together. That is total permutation, it has 8 physics papers. So 8 factorial minus 2 into 7 factorial. It is permutations for coming together. After solving this, we will get the answer 7 factorial into 6. Find the number of ways of permutating the letters of the word Monday so that A. All vowels come together, B. No two vowels come together, and C. The relative positions of the vowels and consonants are not disturbed. Here, Monday it has two vowels O and A and consonants M and DY, four consonants. Here, first question, all vowels come together. So consider O and A, these two vowels as one unit and remaining four consonants, four letters. 4 plus y, we can arrange them in 5 factorial ways. And we can arrange vowels among themselves in 2 factorial or 2 ways. That is into 2 factorial. Totally, we can arrange that all vowels come together in 2 factorial into 5 factorial ways. Here, second question, no two vowels come together. So, for not vowels not coming together, we have firstly we have to arrange consonants. Here we arrange the consonants. So, the gaps or the places between the consonants we have to fill with vowels. Here we have the 5 positions available. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 positions available. We have to arrange these two vowels in these 5 positions. We can arrange them in 5p2 ways, and we can arrange the remaining consonants in 4 factorial ways, so that we can say that the permutation for no two vowels coming together is 5p2 into 4 factorial. 5p2 into 4 factorial. Here third question, C. The relative positions of the vowels and consonants are not disturbed. So here we have the positions as consonants, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. So here vowels should be in the vowels place and the consonants should be in the consonants place. So we have arranged the vowels in 2 factorial ways, and we have 4 consonants. We can arrange the consonants in the consonant positions in 4 factorial. So the totally it is 4 into 2 factorial, so that the relative positions of the vowels and consonants are not disturbed.